chocolate. My passion project is about baking. My favorite thing to bake is chocolate cake. I started baking around 2 years old. Now I'm going to read you some fun facts. Did you know the first oven is 6,500 years old? Egyptians began baking bread. Did you know that bread rises because the yeast eats the sugar and burps carbon dioxide? Cakes rise because they have baking soda, same with cookies. Now let's go bake some cupcakes. First we need to turn on our oven. Our ingredients are divided into 2 groups, wet ingredients and dry ingredients. I just added in my dry ingredients. I added Hershey's, cocoa, sugar and flour, salt, and baking soda and baking powder, which helps the cake rise up. Now I'm going to pour my milk into the other ingredients in our cake batter. In the United States, it's kind of complicated because most of our baking measures are in cups, teaspoons, and tablespoons. We have our flour, our sugars, our fats, and our binders, and the binders are the eggs that holds all the cupcakes together. We are going to put in my cupcakes now, and we are going to slide it in, and we are going to bake it at 350 degrees. Our cupcakes are in the oven right now, and they're rising up because of the reaction of the heat in the oven. It's making them grow a bit larger so they can actually rise. Then we'll have to wait to frost them to let them cool, or else all the fat and the sugar will melt and slide off your cupcake. For our frosting, it's not really baking in the oven. You're just putting it on the baked thing that you have here. And for our frosting, we have our butter, our powdered sugar, our fat, and our cream. We are going to be frosting our cupcakes. And now the best part is eating the cupcake. I hope you enjoy my passion project about baking. I really like baking, and now I hope you do too.